How to clean TV screen and how often. Before you start, turn off the TV and unplug the power. Let the screen cool down completely before you attempt any cleaning. Supplies you need. A soft, dry microfiber cloth. This is the only type of cloth you should use to avoid scratches. Distilled water and a spray bottle. Use this if you need to deal with tougher smudges. What to avoid: never use aerosols, ammonia, alcohol, or rough cloths, as these can permanently damage the screen. How to clean. Gently wipe dust. Use a completely dry microfiber cloth and move it in light circular motions across the screen. Dampen the cloth. Lightly mist the microfiber cloth with distilled water using your spray bottle. Never spray liquid directly onto the screen. Wipe smudges. Clean the oily spots or fingerprints gently with the damp cloth. How often to need to clean. Regular dusting, 1 to 2 times per week. Doing this frequently prevents dust buildup and keeps your picture looking clear. Deeper cleaning, as needed / every 1 to 2 months. Break out the damp cloth method only when visible fingerprints or greasy smudges appear on the display.